Hi folks, Sister McMurray here. Welcome to week 4. So I want to go over lessons 7 and 8 with you. In lesson 7, by Wednesday, you have the chapter 4 quiz. You need to submit a resume first draft, schedule a mock interview, and schedule a resume review. You can do these back to back, but you do need to have 2 appointments. If you only schedule 1 appointment, you won't be able to get both the mock interview and resume review done. In lesson 8, due on Saturday, you need to have the chapter 12 reading and quiz done. You have to have attended the mock interview and take the mock interview quiz. You have to take a reading quiz and submit your revised resume. And also there's a self-assessment quiz. So when you turn in your revised resume, you have to list at least 2 changes that you made based on your resume review. So you've got a lot of things going on this week. You need to schedule appointments as soon as you can because the center that you're going to be doing your resume review and mock interview are only open Monday through Friday, like 8 to 5, right? So you need to get these assignments done in the regular week. If you're an online student and doing this class remotely, you can do these via Skype, but you do need to get them done. Now, usually we end up stretching this assignment to 2 weeks if people can't get the appointments, but I don't want to stretch it any longer than that. That's really going to be tough. So schedule as soon as you can, because if you don't, we're going to run out of assignment times and we're going to run out of time in our block class. So please schedule ASAP. It'll be a lot better for you and me. So let's see. I'm going to walk you through a few of these assignments that we've got going on. So here's week 4, lesson 7, a pretty straightforward chapter 4 quiz. You need to read about resumes and curriculum vitas, and then you need to schedule your resume review and your practice interview. Here it talks about how to set up your interviews and that you need a Skype account if you're going to do it remotely. If you don't have it on your computer, fine, but you need to find a computer that you can do Skype on, right? This is a requirement for the class. So ask a friend, do whatever you've got to do to get your Skype set up and working for this interview. So you can schedule a resume review. What I want you to do for your first resume, if you've got a resume you like, great. Look it over, update it, and send it in for your first draft. Then, after your resume review, you have to take your resume with you, and you'll look it over with the people at the Career Services Center, Internship and Career Services, and they will give you some tips, and then you'll submit it again, noting what changes you made. It's okay if you already have one done? Cool. If you need to make one, there are some suggestions on how to make and what to do. So just read this over and see if you have any questions, and then you can put them up on the questions and conversations board. You should dress up for your mock interview, and here is what you do to say that you've scheduled. So that's that. Let's see if there's anything else that we need to go over. And then you just submit your resume. Be sure to submit your resume at first so that I can see it. I'm not going to make any suggestions because you will be getting feedback from the Career Internship and Career Services. So just know when you get points for this, it's not because it's perfect, it's because you turned it in, right? You will be getting feedback and you will be graded on your next one. Okay. So thanks. Have a great week.